Hello everyone, I'm Alua and in this video I'd like to show you the process of creating Pinku Pawlette from Brawl Stars. I want to clarify that this is not a tutorial, but at the end you will find tutorials on Toon and the Poop Spike. If you enjoyed, please leave feedback and don't forget to subscribe. And it's me again. I hope you enjoyed watching the creation process. And now I'd like to show you the final result. I spent 11 hours of crocheting her and now she's my favorite one. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!